Welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 23rd May 2017. The International Stainless Steel Forum, at a conference held in Tokyo, Japan, recently declared that India is the second largest stainless steel producer in the world after China. India toppled Japan in the year 2016 according to the figures disclosed by Steel Forum. India's stainless steel production touched 3.32 million tons in 2016, showing an impressive growth of about 9% over the 3 million tons it produced in 2015. It is observed that the increase in exports of stainless steel from India to the world markets, especially Europe and the Americas, has established Indian producers capable of producing quality material from their latest state-of-the-art mills, meeting stringent quality parameters. The 2017 copper outlook envisages stable demand and tighter supply of copper during the second half of 2017. This is likely to cause copper prices to increase by 18 to 20% during the year. Prices of copper were affected by supply disruptions at Chile and Peru, the world's largest copper concentrate producers, and also due to governmental restrictions to restrict exports in Indonesia. This caused 3-month forwards traded on LME to rally from sub $5,000 per ton levels during October 2016 to $6,200 per ton by mid-February 2017, representing an increase of 29.1%. As supply disruption eased, prices of copper decreased by 11.9%. Decrease in copper prices, however, has led to an increase in copper stockpiles at China. Along with this, the copper scrap availability has increased sharply due to increased scrap imports and increase in secondary refined copper production is observed along with the decreased cathode demand, ultimately affecting the primary copper production market adversely, resulting in decreased prices and premiums. However, as the available scrap is expected to be utilized during the coming months, prices of copper are likely to stabilize. The forecasted prices will also be underpinned by the fact that the current credit crunch in China will be eased in second half of 2017, leading to a normal copper's restocking cycle. Increase in industrial, infrastructural and power grid investment will also lead to increased demand during the second half of 2017. Currently, the global refined copper production growth is projected at 2.6% in 2017. With refined production estimated at 23.9 million tons and refined consumption at 24.1 million tons, the market faces a projected deficit. In today's offers, US origin cast iron is being offered at $330 per ton CIF Nhava Sheva, while HMS 1 and 2 are being offered at $300 per ton CIF Nhava Sheva. Taiwanese origin stainless steel plates are being offered at following prices at CFR Saudi Arabia. Chinese origin steel profiles are being offered at following prices CFR Tunisia. Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market is Rs 21,100 per ton. Fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 23,600 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh were currently quoting at 27,950 rupees per ton. The offers for MS ingots at Raipur market were at rupees 24,500 per ton, while for Muzaffarnagar it was at rupees 26,600 per ton. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.